Hello guys! We are in the middle of the country roads.
It's a pretty serious stop sign.
Went for a little adventure. We are just going to get a hose and do some backyarding cleanup. Oh my god, that's so pretty. There's like a valley down there. Oh, I can't see it. Let me see if I flip the camera 1 second. Good morning, guys. So actually good afternoon. It's 2 p.m. on a Saturday. What day is it today? May 25th.
Yep.
We just finished a full day of garage sailing and we got a haul. So I think we're gonna do you want to just go straight? I just want to see if there's what's at this other oh no, okay, you don't want to, that's fine.
No.
We got a lawnmower.
We have no more money left.
We have no more money. So I just got this sign for it said $10. I got it for $2 because that's all I had left. It's actually been a really great day, and I'm gonna show you guys when we get home everything we got, and maybe I'll do a little montage of Ryan cutting the grass because I think that'll be satisfying to watch.
Do like a time lapse?
Yeah.
I'm down with that. That'll be very satisfying.
Okay, cool. So we'll do that when we get home. I decided totally should update, like take a little clip of the stuff we got, and we'll show you when we get home. But it's a beautiful day in Alberta, in Edmonton.
Yeah, it is. Sun's shining.
And yeah, we got a lawnmower, we got a trimmer for the edges. We got lots to do. I might even go out and start tackling the tree myself with the hedge clippers. But we are having a great day so far. Oh, and we also bought our niece a beautiful little tricycle thing with a canopy and everything and dropped it off to her already. That was awesome. So we will see you when we get home. Hey guys, so we're home now, and I just kind of wanted to show you what we got. So we got a lawnmower, a trimmer, garage sailing. Ryan got this tin full of markers and pens. He just really liked this gold tin. We got some yard and deck spray, weed be gone, citronella oil. We got tiki torches at the garage sale. I got these 2 shells for $5. I got this sign for $2. It's a beautiful portrait, says "Let It Go" for my office. We got this whiteboard / chalkboard last weekend. Okay, I'm gonna put this down and I'll show you guys the little montage. So we are home now, and Ryan's been assembling this lawnmower. This is the basement where his parents will be living, and he's gonna cut that grass. It looks so pretty.
What the fuck is this contraption?
Us not knowing anything about like home stuff.
Okay, it's all in French. I'm like, this is gibberish.
Oh, that did something.
Yeah, so that's gonna be a little.
Okay, so there you go. There was an adjustment thing for that.
Fucking lickety splickety. I don't know what that means, but do you want music playing?
Well, I figured you would want music playing while you mow the lawn.
Over the sound of my lawnmower? Not really. I
Okay.
want to hear it. I want to know
What the
it's
fuck is
doing.
going on? Okay.
Yeah, so plan here, bug spray because they're mosquitoes.
Do you want to go find it in your office?
Yeah, and then just.
I feel
do
like we should move that box thing out of the sun. What do you think?
This?
Yeah.
That's what I think. All right. We're ready. We're ready.
We're freaking ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna go bug spray.
No, bring it down here so I can bug spray
So,
myself outside.
One problem I'm looking at right here, right now, is.
Why did it say it's 100-foot cord?
Okay, let me see where you read that. 'Cause
It was on that little card that you said good for within 100 feet.
it did. I remember, but maybe that that was like another one.
No, it was this one. That's why I was like, okay, that's a good deal because we won't need further. It'll be in the instruction manual, baby.
Yeah, but it should say as a spec on it. 6 height, rear bag, foldable foam, compact design.
What's in the top right corner? Not black.
13-inch cutting path.
Oh.
But look, what do I do here?
If that's like, babe, do you not see the clips? That comes off.
What clips?
Bye, guys.